Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Science Class 1. Unit number 5, Plants. There are many kinds of plants. Some plants are big, some are small. Some plants grow in soil and some grow in water. Some plants have thorns. Plants which have roots, stem and leaves are of three kinds. A plant usually has roots, stem and leaves. Trees. A tree has one main woody stem. It is a big plant, for example, oak tree, poplar tree, mango tree, etc. Tree. Shrubs. A shrub has many hard woody stems. It is a small plant. Shrubs are also called as bushes, for example, rose, oleander, blueberry, raspberry, gardenia, etc. Gardenia. Herbs. A herb is a non-woody plant. It has a green and weak stem. For example, aloe vera, catmint, coriander, dhania, etc. Coriander. Plants in water. Some plants like lotus and lily grow in water. These plants also use sunlight to make food. Lotus, lily. What do plants need to grow? Sun, air, water, soil. The plants which grow in soil, they need good soil, sunlight, air and water. Some plants have thorns. Thorns protect plants from animals. Rose, cactus, lemon. Weak plants. Weak plants cannot stand on their own. They creep or climb along a support. They are called creepers or climbers. Grapevines, climber. Melon vines, creeper. Exercise. Fill in the circle of the correct option. Coriander. Dhania is a herb. Which plant grows in water? Lotus. Watermelon plant is a creeper. Animals do not eat plants with thorns. Which one is the example of a climber plant? Grapevines. Answer the following questions. How many kinds of plants are there? Name them. There are three kinds of plants: herbs, shrubs, trees. What are herbs? Herbs are small plants with soft green stem. Name some needs of plants. Plants need water, air, sunlight and soil. How are thorns important for plants? Thorns protect plants from animals. What are creepers and climber plants? Creeper and climber plants are weak plants. Words meaning. Plants, पौधे. Roots, जड़ें. Need, ज़रूरत. Sunlight, सूरज की रोशनी. Water, पानी. Dictation words. Soil, air. Big, leaves, hard. Fill in the blanks with the following science words. Climbers, trees, water, shrub. Big plants are called trees. A dash has many hard stems. Shrub. Lily plant grows in water. The dash are the plants that climb along a support. Climbers.